Let's make a full roast chicken. Just look at the chicken, how soft, juicy, and moist this chicken is. The marinade is very simple and easy. So let's begin. I'm using a medium sized chicken here. I made some cuts in the chicken so the marinade can go inside the meat and not just stay on the top layer of the chicken. For the marinade, I took yogurt, tomato paste, paprika, onion granules, garlic granules, dried parsley, black pepper, coriander powder, salt, chili flakes, dark soy sauce, white vinegar, oil, and sumac. If you don't have sumac, just use lemon juice. Once the marinade is ready, coat the chicken very well in the marinade. I marinated the chicken for 2 hours. The air fryer that I use is K5 Pro by Hosworth. It's 25 liters. It has two upper and two lower heating tubes that work the same way as an oven does. The best thing about this air fryer is this three-dimensional fan that cooks the food evenly from all the sides, and it helps the food to release their natural oil and juices, which results in healthier food. The air fryer comes with a baking tray, a dripping tray, and rotisserie accessories. You can tell the capacity of the air fryer by looking at this chicken. This was a medium sized chicken, and the rotation of the rotisserie is very nice and slow. It cooks the chicken thoroughly and evenly from all the sides. The chicken was still very moist and juicy once it was ready. I served the chicken with some rice, and if you want to buy the air fryer, it is linked in my link tree.